Welcome, everyone. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Cowboy Butter Chicken. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: dried parsley, black pepper, regular paprika, smoked paprika, Dijon mustard, salt, honey, red pepper flake, garlic powder, thyme, lemon juice, mint, fresh garlic, chicken broth, and unsalted butter. Oh, yes, and the chicken. I already washed it in lemon juice and rinsed it in cold water. Now, this is the first step we're going to do. We're going to season the chicken: garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, and salt. Okay, now we're going to mix this up. Then we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes and let a seasoning marinate into the chicken.
So you're about to fry up the chicken now, huh?
Yes, I put some oil in the pan, and now I have the pan turned on medium high, and I'm going to add the pieces to the pan to let them saute up.
Again, this is another quick weeknight dish.
Yes, it is.
And also, would you say this is probably a budget dish?
Yes, this is a budget dish.
Then it works about maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes at the most. Maybe 45 minutes, right?
Yeah. Now we're going to let this saute for about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes on each side.
And don't forget, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And like, subscribe, share, comment. Make sure you get those likes up so we can get in that algorithm.
Now it's time we're going to flip them to the other side. Nice and golden brown on that side.
Yes, very crispy. Very, very deep color. So what's the next step after this?
We're going to come back and make the sauce. Now we're going to add the butter to the saute pan.
This is the core of the recipe, basically.
Yeah, the butter for the that what makes it the butter chicken. Now we're going to add the minced garlic. I'm going to stir this up. Let this saute up the garlic and the butter for about 30 seconds.
It smells good.
Then we're going to add the Dijon mustard. Now we're going to add the honey. Gonna add the chicken broth, the lemon juice, the dried thyme, the regular paprika.
Not smoked.
No,
That changes the whole flavor.
no, we add the smoked on the chicken in the seasoning. And the red pepper flakes. I'm going to let this simmer here for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, this is what we do next. We add the chicken back into this butter sauce. And we're going to let this simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes.
It's a very simple dish. Anybody could do this.
Yes, it's very simple and quick.
This is a good starter dish for people who are still trying to learn. But want something tasty and quick.
Now we're going to throw the dried parsley in. You can use fresh parsley if you like. Spoon some of the sauce over the chicken.
This is all a one pot meal.
Yes, it is. Now I'm going to cover this up and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. There you have it. Cowboy butter chicken. You can serve this with rice, mashed potatoes, or whatever roasted vegetable of your choice. I'm serving it with roasted asparagus. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.